In this video, I will review Quontic Bank's high-yield savings account. Quontic is an online-only bank, allowing them to keep overhead costs low and pass on the savings to customers in the form of a high annual percentage yield. This means you can earn significantly more interest on your money compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. The standout feature is the competitive APY of 4.50%. This is well over 10 times the national average savings rate, making it a great way to grow your savings. There are no monthly maintenance fees, so you can keep your money parked there without any surprise charges. You can manage your account easily through their mobile app and online banking platform, allowing 24/7 access. The minimum to open an account is a manageable $100. Although Quontic doesn't have physical branches, you can still withdraw your cash using their ATM card at over 90,000 surcharge-free ATMs. Quontic is FDIC insured, meaning your money is insured up to $250,000 per depositor, providing peace of mind. Overall, Quontic Bank's high-yield savings account is a strong option for anyone looking to maximize their savings interest rate. With its competitive APY, no monthly fees, and easy online access, it is a compelling choice for growing your savings without the hassle of traditional banks. While the APY is high, some online banks might offer even higher rates. Since it is an online-only bank, you won't have the convenience of a physical branches for depositing cash or resolving issues in person.